We're about 2 weeks from the next race, and major disaster struck. We blew the turbo in our tow vehicle on our Duramax. So, yeah. So this is my ride for the week while the diesel's at the shop getting a new turbo. It's a looker.
Guess who's back? 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 Guess who's back?
No more check engine lights on the dash. Doesn't say the door's open all the time. Oh, I missed you, baby. I missed you. You cost me an arm and a leg, but I'm happy to have you back. Round 2. Let's try this out again. I think we're ready for summer. Got the helmet blower ready to go.